Hauraki Bay. I stumble across a shiny power shell. I pick it up and put it to my ear. I hear my tipuna telling me, 2 languages open the door to success. With all respect, I put the power shell down and I keep walking along the silky sand of Hauraki Bay. Though as I keep walking, I stumble across another power shell. So I pick it up and I put it to my ear. Though this time I hear my tipuna telling me very clearly, Manaia, you must follow the language of the English and you must follow the language of your tipuna. That is te reo Māori. So I wondered to myself, how can 2 languages be so important for my tipuna to come down through a power shell and tell me? So I go to school the next day. I'm sitting in class, doing my mahi, getting the treats. And my principal walks in. And she says, Manaia, what are you doing right now? And I said, my maths. And she just looks at me and she says, are you truly happy with how you're learning? Are you happy in the way you are learning within Te Koro Te Whanapnui? And I said, of course, Whaia, otherwise I wouldn't be here today. So I go to my next class. This is English. And I really like English because, I can speak that well. And then my next class is Māori. And I'm not too keen because I never really grew up learning my own language. And then I think about the power shell. My tipuna telling me that I must learn te reo Māori, and that is what I'm doing today. So for us to get the best out of life, board my boat because I am Manaia of Hauraki Bay. You will sail across the tribal lands of Te Whanapnui to learn the English language, to learn the language of our tipuna. That is te reo Māori. Nō reira, tēnā tātou katoa.